Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Separate 3 large eggs and reserve the yolks for another use. Place 3 large egg whites in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon milk, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon chopped chives or herbs if desired. Whisk vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds until slightly frothy so air incorporates and the omelet will be fluffy. Heat an 8-inch non-stick skillet with 1 tablespoon oil on medium-low to about 275 degrees F surface feel. Oil should shimmer but not smoke before pouring. Pour the whisked egg whites into the preheated 8-inch skillet and let them sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes until edges set but center remains slightly wet. Every 30 seconds, tilt the pan and lift cooked edges with a silicone spatula to let uncooked whites flow underneath, which creates even cooking without browning. Add fillings only when the surface is slightly moist. About 1/4 cup chopped spinach and 2 tablespoons crumbled feta or 2 tablespoons salsa. Then fold 1/3 over and cook another 30. Slide the folded omelet onto a warm plate and let it rest for 30 seconds so residual heat finishes cooking and prevents sogginess. Garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped herbs, a pinch of black pepper, and a light squeeze of lemon if you like bright acidity. Serve immediately with whole grain toast or salad. Leftover cooked whites keep poorly, so consume now. If you have unused raw egg whites, refrigerate up to 48 hours or freeze in 1-cup portions, labeled with the date for later use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.